Hey guys, Coach 𝐸_𝐸𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I'm going to go over how to grab your affiliate link with the Conversion Pros. If you don't know, the Conversion Pros is a marketing suite to help you grow your business, to grow an email list, to automate some functions in your business so that you can automatically follow up with your list, build a relationship with your list, warm up your list, and get the sales that you want in your business. Okay, so that's what the Conversion Pros is. It also has a full training suite and a whole host of other tools to help you grow your business, like a link shortener. It allows you to create custom pages and capture pages for your system, all the for your affiliate marketing and network marketing, any business really. That's what it does. Okay, and you can also make commissions alongside what you're doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you. It's going to be super quick. I'm going to show you just how to grab your affiliate link. Okay, so if you want to share the Conversion Pros with people who are interested, who also want automation in their business, want to be able to create custom branded capture pages and sales pages, and build and communicate with the list, then you want to know how to share your link with other people. Okay, so one way you can do that is you're going to come right over here at the top when you log into the Conversion Pros. It's going to say account. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to see an affiliates button. You're going to click on that, and you're going to see where it says my website. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to lead you to your my TCP replicated website. Okay, so you could either use that page, which is a pretty general page. I'll show you the pages that I like to share with people. I like this page. It's the first one. It says the put your wallet away. The reason why I like it, because I feel like it really goes through, it focuses less on the opportunity side but more on the features of the tool. Okay, so that's what that is. So and it invites people to do the trial, so you can share that link with people as well. And then also the other one that I like right here is the easy drag drop. I like to use it as a follow-up page because it again goes deeper into the tools and specifically how the tools can help people grow their business. Period. Okay, so that's it. That's how you find your links. You know, I would just all you have to do is hit that little I don't know what that called, clipboard, to copy it. You put that in a notepad, and I like to use like Google Keep or whatever, and now you have access to your links, easy access. Okay, so that's that. Here's what I like you to do to know. You can take the 14-day trial of the Conversion Pro so that you can play around with it, and also see all the tools and the amazing training that you get access to on how to grow your affiliate marketing, network marketing business. You get all that included. Okay, now for people who are upgraded members of the Conversion Pros, I do offer bonuses, and all that information on upgraded member bonuses will be in the sales page for the Conversion Pros. Okay, so that's that. Reach out if you have any questions. Smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.